Yes.
So today's topic is manual process of check for the manual payments. So we can issue the check when we process the manual payment, and also we can issue the check when we process the payment through automatic payment program. So there is little bit of difference, okay? We'll understand this for both processes. Manual processing of check. So as a part of this process, yesterday we have defined, first thing is we have defined Hodge Bank. That is our HDFC Bank. Then we have created check lot. So we have created check lot in FCHI, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, do you remember we have created the check lot yesterday also? I mean, now, once we created the check lot, we need to issue the check manually to the vendor. So how can we do that? Okay, for doing that, we need to first process the payment manually. We need to process manual payment. So far, we are discussing about manual payment only. After completion of this topic, we'll move to automatic payment program. F-53 is a manual payment process. So now for processing the manual payment, first thing is we should have open invoice. We'll check. So did we define check lot for your company code? FCHI, we'll see. TA20. House Bank, HDFC, ID, this. Yeah, we have created the check lot. So why I have selected the non-sequential, I will let you know shortly. Now, we'll see if there any open item is there or not. Any open invoice is there. So we have one open invoice which is remaining balance from the residual payment. What we can do now, we'll process this, or we'll create some invoices, no problem. FB60 will create one invoice with FB60. I will change the company code to TA20. Now select the vendor. Let's say I'm giving 15,000 amount. So what we are trying to do here is we are trying to create the open invoice. Whenever we have open invoice, then only we'll be able to make the payment. Give the cost center here. So I will remove this. I don't want any cash discount scenario at this point of time. Or you can have cash discount scenario also, no problem. It does not matter. Now you have open item of invoice number is posted as 19012. Post vendor invoice F dash FB60. Sorry. So we posted one vendor invoice. Invoice number is 19012. Correct? Now we'll process manual payment. before that, we'll see in the FBL1N report. So FBL1N report is the base, okay, for all vendor related transactions. See, 15,000. Now to this 15,000, we'll make the payment. So go F-53. So this house bank field, okay, you are checking here in F-53. This was not there. This was not there in ECC. This is the new addition for F-53 while making the payment. Okay. So you can select the house bank also while making the payment here. So this particular field, it was not available in ECC. And this particular GL account, whatever GL account we are using to make the payment, for this GL account, what happens? We have to 3820 we have created yesterday, right? Two lakh 10, okay, sorry. So we need to activate this option here, relevant to cash flow. Okay, what is there? Where is that option? I will show you the error in case. Okay, then we'll come here and we'll set it out. So sort it out the error. Okay. Now an entry is not permitted in the account 2 lakh 10. So why it is not permitted? Because we are giving the value date field here. But if you look at the field status group of 2 lakh 10, we have assigned G001. We have assigned G001. Maybe in G001, this value date field must be suppressed. This one, general data, no. Payment transaction, I think. Yeah. See, if you look at here, value date must be suppressed here. That's the reason why when we are giving here value date, so it says not permitted. So instead of G001, we have to assign G005 to this. So you will not get this kind of error because G005 value date field would be required field because for bank account. G005 field status group is specifically used for bank accounts. So now press enter, 15,000. Select the vendor here. Now I will simulate the payment. Now I will save this. So we have got this. So what is the payment document now? 15,015. So now once we create the check, okay, once we issue the check, now issue check. FCH5 is the T code. Now I will go to FCH5. System is asking for what? Payment document. So out of these two document number, so this is one document number, this is another document number. Which is the payment document number?
15015.
Yes, correct. So if you look at here, it has taken by default also. Now I will select the check number. So check number where I can, what is the range I need to select? From here, FCHI. 5 lakh to 5 lakh 99. Okay. So let's say first thing I will select 5 lakh. I will press enter. So it says that 15,015 is not a payment document. But why is it telling why it is not a payment document? It's clearly shows that it's a payment document. So the reason it is telling that it's not a payment document means if you can read here. The entered payment document was not recognized as such. A cost can be the bank account use is not characterized as relevant to cash flow. So we need to activate one option in GL master data which is relevant to cash flow. Then only system will recognize that is a bank account. Okay. Now system is not recognizing it's a payment document. That is what I want to show you the error. Okay. Relevant to cash flow, it will be there in the master data. Where it will be there, I will show you. So I will first take you through TA40 company code. So if you look at here, the option relevant to cash flow is activated here. Same way, we have to activate this option for this GL account in our company code 2 lakh 10 GL account. So this option is not showing to us. So what could be the reason?
Field
Can
status
anyone tell?
group.
No. Do we control the GL master data field through field status group?
Posting key, sir.
Wrong answer.
Sir, account group.
Yes, this is the right answer.
Yes,
I
sir.
mean,
Yes, sir.
when we talk about the field status, right, two things should come to our mind. Master data field status group and transaction data. So field status group and posting keys are related to transaction data field status group, field status. Whereas for GL master field status, you can control through account group. Okay, remember this. Current account. So you go to OBD4. Select the chart of account, current asset, select this, field status, bank or financial detail. See, relevant to cash flow, this you make it optional here. Now, FS00. So remember this setting, okay, relevant to cash flow. It's very important. For all bank accounts, whatever the bank accounts you are using to make the payment, so for that bank account relevant to cash flow, it should be activated. Otherwise, system will not recognize that particular GL account is a bank account. Okay. Now press enter. So everything is fine, correct? Now, so you can see the detail, paying document number, company code, fiscal year, payment date, check number, house bank, account ID, and currency, amount paid. If there is any cash discount scenario, it will put the cash discount amount also here. You can test also that scenario, no problem. So this XYZ vendor, this vendor is coming from the vendor master data, correct? Hyderabad. So what postal code of the vendor? Now I will save this. So what it says, check TA20 HDFC 1000. This check means check account, check TA20, which is our company code. HDFC is bank account, 1000 is our account ID, and 5 lakh is the check number created manually. Okay, you can display it. Enter. So you can display the check created. So you can also see other details like what is the payment document. Okay, for this. This is the payment document 15,000 15105. See 15105. And you can check other detail. Accompanying document. Accompanying document means, I mean, for what are all documents are related to this check, means why we created this check. So obviously there would be open item, then we'll make the payment, then we'll be creating this check, right? So if you look at the accompanying document, it will show both invoice as well as payment document here. See, invoice document, this is the payment document. Accompanying document means these are all documents for which, I mean, initially we had open invoice, against that we made the payment, then we created the check. Who is the check issuer? Check issuer is this user, print user, S22 USR 45. This is the date and time of issuing check. Now check recipient. Check recipient is this vendor. So this is about manual check creation. And also you can go and check the payment document FB03. Here from the payment document also you can check payment usage. If you go to the payment usage, so this is what it will show. Okay, and also you can also check information from here also. You can check from the payment document, you can see the check information, and you can also see if you go to the payment usage, it will show you what is the invoice and what is the payment. Okay, do you understand? You have any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now we'll process one more payment now, F-53. We had open item of 40,000, right? Now, document, simulate, save. So what is the payment document? 15,016. Payment document is 15,016. Check number for this 5 lakh. So this would be 5 lakh one. So you can have some other check number also, no problem. No. FCH5. So this is the payment document number. Now, check number last time what I have given 5 lakh, right? If I give 5 lakh, it will not accept. It says check information already exists in check management. Okay, it will not accept the previous check number. So I have to select So can I select the check any number, or I have to follow the sequence? Do I need
So
to give? Yeah,
any
tell
number,
me.
any number
Any
we
number.
can.
Yeah, any number. The reason is,
A
see, I will show you.
non-sequential order you are giving.
Yeah. Correct. Right. Yeah, great observation. Yes. So this is because of the non-sequential. Okay, I can select any number. So this concept is similar to what we have external document number range, wherein user is deciding. Correct. Same way we are designing the next check number here. I can use in the sequence order, as well as I can choose any number, check number here. Now I will save this. You can display this, enter payment document. What are all accompanying document? Same thing. Now we can also check the check register. FCHN is the check register. FCHN. So paying company code TA20, House Bank HDFC, account ID 1000. Now execute. So if you look at here, system is giving you information of all the check issued. So check number 5 lakh for this payment document 15,015, payment date, currency INR, what is the payment amount, and who is the recipient of this check. Okay. Same way, another line item which is 5 lakh 1. If you issue another check, it will come here in another line item. So this is where you can check your check register. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
No problem. No problem. Now imagine the check what we issued just now, 5 lakh 1, it got spoiled or something. We need to void the particular check and reissue the new check. Okay. So let's say, for example, vendor inform you that, okay, the check has been stolen or check has been uh, check is spoiled. Okay. For that reason, okay, you need to void the check and also you need to reissue the check. We'll see that. Reissue of new check. So before we reissue, first we need to void the check. Void the check. Transaction code is FCH9. So go to FCH9. Give the company code. So other information are taken by the bank by default. Give the check number here. Which check number you want to void? Let's say 5 lakh 1. So you should select the reason why you are voiding the check. Voiding the check means you are making it cancel. Let's say, for example, check might be stolen or any reason you can select, no problem. Okay, enter, then click on void. So check number voided. Check 5001 voided, payment document not reverse. It only cancel the check number. It did not cancel the payment. Okay, it did not reverse the payment because only check we want to cancel. Okay, payment document is not cancelled. Only we cancel the check. Payment document is not reversed. Now you can check here. Check in the check register now. FCHN TA20, House Bank, HDFC, execute. Now, if you look at here, this detail here, this amount is gone, correct? Voided by this user. The amount is also not showing. Okay. Now I will reissue the new check because this line item is gone because from the check register, this check is voided. That's why system is remove the particular line item from here. Once I issue the new check, then the detail will come here again. Okay. Now what was the payment document number? 1516 15016. See, it was there earlier. 15016. FCH5. Yeah. I will select 2. Save this. Now you can check FCHN. Execute. See. Correct. This check number voided and we have issued the new check. Correct. Any doubt? Anyone
No,
has
sir.
any question?
No, sir.
Now, let's say, for example, if you want to reverse the payment and cancel, reverse the, void the check and cancel the payment. Okay. Both you want to do it. You can do it. So for that purpose, you have to go to FCH8, cancel check payment. Okay. FCH8. So which payment shall we cancel? 1 minute. So keep an eye on this vendor line item. At this point of time, there is no open item. Okay. All items are cleared. Let's say, for example, this. All items are cleared now. There is nothing here. So we'll check in the check register. What is a check register? FCHN. No, execute. Let's say 15,000 check. What we issued will reverse this payment through cancel check. Okay. So what is the accompanying document? We'll see. If you go to FB03, one 5015. So if you go to the payment usage, so this is the invoice 19012 and this is the payment document number. Okay. In vendor line item report, all the items are cleared, right? Do you agree with me? Is there any open item now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. All are clear.
Yeah. Now we'll cancel this. What is the check number we are going to cancel? 5 lakh. Select any reason, no problem. You can select stolen also, no problem. Reversal reason for reversal. Anything you can select, no problem. So what it says, number in 17 is missing. So to reverse the check document, system is checking for the number in 17. We have to go to FBN1. Give the company code TA20. Change intervals. Add intervals. 17. Year 2024. 17,000 to 17,999. Enter. and save. Okay, now go to the previous screen, enter. So what it says, reversal of check payment is possible. Now cancel payment. So payment for check 5 lakh was cancelled. Reverse document is 17,000. Now you check here, refresh. So we have open item, right? Payment document got reversed. Now this has opened the invoice document for which we made the payment initially, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is where you need to reverse the check number. So once you reverse the check number, your payment document got reversed. Your payment document got reversed and it opened the original invoice. What was your payment document? 15,016, right? Yeah, 15,016. 15 or 16. So this got 15, I think. This got reversed with the 17,000 document number. So 15,015. Okay. Any doubt? Now you can
No,
see
sir.
the check. You can see the check register now. So only this line item is appearing. These checks are voided or cancel payments. So this is about the manual check process. What we have seen today, we have seen how to cancel only the check without reversing the payment, and we have also seen how to reverse the payment document along with the check. Okay, we have also seen the check register scenario. So this is all manual process. So from tomorrow we are going to